it's me, Desiree, and I am brand new on YouTube. Well, not really. I've been on YouTube before in other aspects with other channels, but hey, Desi is brand new on YouTube, and you should go ahead and subscribe because I have amazing content lined up for you guys this summer. Now, this video is going to be all about FabFitFun, like in the title, and I mean, this is the packaging that this beautiful thing came in. I love this product. I love this concept. I love this idea. Before we even open the box, I literally got this yesterday. Before we even open the box, I do want to explain quickly what FabFitFun is. It is a subscription-based beauty box. It's like a princess in a box. It's so fun. It's kind of the same idea with other subscription-based services. I mean, we kind of all seen subscription-based services at this point. There's like Just Fab for shoes, and Blue Apron for food, and Ipsy and Birchbox, and a slew of others for beauty. And FabFitFun is coming. They're coming for Ipsy and Birchbox's spotlight. This box right here is honestly amazing. Now, the way I saw it was I saw an ad on Facebook. It was like a sponsored ad on Kim Zolciak's page. If you guys are familiar with Real Housewives of Atlanta, I thought it was just a scam. It's a sponsored ad. I didn't take it to be too serious. But when I saw that little clip that they put on her page and all the things that come in this box, honey, this box is amazing. It comes with so much stuff that almost is about $400. I think when I did the math, it was like $380 something. So $400 worth of products, real, genuine, high-end products for $40. Sign me in. Now it's $40. It's $39.99 for your first box, but then it goes back up to $49.99 for the subsequent boxes after this one. I will include a coupon code in the description box, so you can get $10 off your first box as well. I think it is worth a try. Just try it out, see if you like it, and you absolutely will. Now, just a quick another thing to note: the way FabFitFun works is a little different from most subscription boxes in that, except like Just Fab and stuff, but like beauty subscription boxes, is that you actually know exactly what is going in the box. Now, I don't know about Birchbox. I've never been a customer of theirs, but Ipsy and Sephora Playbox, I was definitely a customer of them. I'm still a customer of Ipsy, and you don't know what goes in your box. You get to see a preview right before they ship it, but you don't get to choose what is sent to you. This box, you do. You get choices of choices, if that makes sense. So first, you'll take a quick personality profile. You'll talk about what kind of skin you have, what kind of hair you have, what are your needs, and then they move from there. Now, with each box, they'll give you like a few choices and you choose one. So they'll give you like maybe 2 choices. You get to choose one of those. And then the next page will be like 3 choices and you get to choose one of those. And then like the last page will be like 4 or 5 choices and you get to pick like 2 or 3 of those, if that makes any sense. Now, I ordered mine in May and I got it June, what was yesterday? June 8th? No, June 7th. So that was a while ago. It was. So I can't remember the exact process, but it doesn't hurt to just go on the website and try it out for yourself. You don't have to pay at this point. So then when you pay, you've selected everything you want. Alas, the box comes. The beautiful box, it comes. And I am in love. I am so in love, you guys. And before we even get to the unboxing, I do want to say one thing that did kind of bother me. Like the only thing that was kind of like a do you guys see this pretty gorgeous box? Now, if you look to the back, you'll see that's a shipping label. I put my finger kind of like over my address, but that is a shipping label. This is how the box arrived at my house yesterday, and that kind of bothered me. Thankfully, I do live in a safe area. It was sitting out there, no harm done, but it had like a little sticker, a little piece of tape. That is it. That's all you get to seal this. Now, you see how gorgeous this box is? It stands out. So if you live in an apartment complex that's not the best, not even if it's the best apartment complex, a place where there's a lot of people around, or you're in a dorm, or you live with roommates, I would suggest seeing if you can get USPS, because that's who delivered mine. If you can get USPS to hold it at the post office for you, or get a signature, because this is a Target. Like, if you live in a crazy neighborhood, like I went to college in DC and I lived in the dorm all 4 years and student housing all 4 years, and I can assure you that this, if it was waiting for me in the mailroom or if it was waiting for me at my door, it would be gone with a capital G, like no questions asked, like, and no one would be able to. It's gorgeous, and everybody would know what it is. It says it on the box, and it doesn't have much of a protectiveness. Like that little piece of tape that I use like a pen to cut open, that is it, y'all. So be very aware of that. I would hate to not just let people know. Now, before we go into the unboxing, make sure you subscribe. Do not miss out. I have some story time, some more beauty videos, some plus size looks coming for you guys, and you won't know about it if you're not subscribed. Thank you guys again for checking out my content, and let's go ahead and dig right into this box and see what's up, because I cannot wait to share it with you guys. First impression goes a long way for me, and FabFitFun gets a 5 out of 5 in this department. It's just beautifully wrapped and everything is neatly packaged. First thing in the box is one of the things that sold me on the FabFitFun subscription. It is the Tarteist Tarte Pro Glow Highlight and Contour Palette. It is gorgeous and it smells like chocolate. Literally smells like candy. Oh my god, so gorgeous. Is the Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel. Now, I know I said the Tarte palette smelled delicious, but if you think that would smell good, oh my gosh, you have to smell this peel. It smells like the juiciest tropical fruits, this mango pineapple fusion. Delicious. Coming up next is the Marianella Hawaiian Black Lava Body Caviar. Now, I might be mispronouncing some of these names. It has the consistency of like an oil and paste situation going on. Now, please be aware that it is separated. I made the mistake of actually spilling some while recording this video, so you have to mix it in really well to get the full benefits, and it is not for the face, body only. Next in the box is what absolutely sold me on this box. It is the Foreo Luna Mini Fofo. I will go into more detail on this product in a separate video, but oh my goodness, it uses smart technology to clean your face and analyze your skin age. It is amazing. Oh my gosh, like I said, more on this later. On into decor, this box actually includes a marble and gold stunning accent plate from Pier 1 Imports. It can be used for anything. I've actually used it as a coaster on my desk. You can use it to catch paper clips at your desk. It can be used for earrings on your vanity. It can be used for anything, or just for decoration. Really nice. Up is this mini clutch from Minor History. I loved it and I chose it solely because of the size. It allows me to just stuff my ID and my cards, just the essentials that I would need on a night out in the town. And it's perfect because not every time I want to carry my wallet, and then I have some mini bags that cannot fit my wallet, so this is perfect for that. And last but not least is this stunning Yumi Kim makeup bag. I had the choice between this and an oversized beach towel, which I really wanted, but I really needed this bag. And I like that the material is something you can easily wipe off so it can keep it nice and clean. Very nice. Thank you guys for tuning in to my unboxing. I hope you enjoyed the box if you get one as well. And if you already got one, let me know in the comment section how you like the products. Please go ahead and subscribe if you like this content. You're gonna get a lot more of it. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you didn't like it. Leave a comment and hit the notification bell so you know what's up and you'll know what's going on next time. Thank you again for tuning in. Bye.